Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you guys could tell by the title, I am showing you my studio apartment that I am currently living in with my mom just for the time being. And a few of you guys have requested to see how the studio looks, so this video is how the studio looks. I didn't do an intro because, you know, that's me. So I decided to let you guys see my little Mikey boy while I do this intro. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are going to, please like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Greatly appreciate it. It will help out my channel a lot. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and washing your hands, because, you know, you got to stay clean, especially during these times. Well, you always got to wash your hands, but right now you got to wash it more than ever. But I hope you guys are, you know, hanging in there. I'm over here still driving myself crazy, but it seems like everything is opening back up slowly but surely, but I'm still going to wait like a month or two before I actually start doing anything. So guys, I am going to stop talking and let you guys see how this studio looks like. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the left hand side. This is like the bedroom type living room area, and as you can see, there's a bunch of things from my old apartment in here. And you know, for being a studio, is actually very nice. Here is all types of messed up, but you guys can see from the overview, here is my old couch, my dining room table, the carpet, the bed. There's my corner with my laptop and my blanket, and that is just a nightstand over there. So it's actually pretty decent size. It's, you know, for what it cost, it's actually perfect. This is my favorite part right here. The light is so bright, so it's not gonna look very appealing, but there's just like plants and then my DIY. And then you just come over here, you can see me in the shot. Let me try to get out the frame. So here's my farmhouse table, TV. Here's a closet. And then on this, make sure I'm not in the screen, there's my mirror. There's a lot of things in here that are mine from my old apartment, but I'm keeping here because, you know. So we got this, my mom got this divider to kind of divide the kitchen from the bedroom, which is cool. Anyways, let's go on this side before we go over there. Here is a closet, but we're not going in there because it's a hot mess, and that's where I put my stuff at. My pot plant, and of course my turtle that you guys see in the beginning, which he was not happy that I kept messing with him. Shout out to the plants that are still alive and kicking. Y'all real, for real. So that's this part of the studio, which right there, my mom's favorite part is the coffee table. You guys know where this came from, but anyways, she drinks a lot of coffee, so I gave her this, and she just took the decorations. So that is that part. And then the table that used to be mine right here. And there's the bathroom. And you know, that's it. This is it. This is all it. It's a studio, so there's not much to look at. That's our oven, because we don't have an oven or a stove. We have a portable stove. The bathroom is a decent size. Wow, that just broke. It's a decent size, and it's just pretty much a basic bathroom, you know. But let me just give you a whole overview again.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down in the night sky, time.